AM.CO.za houses 4 different types of rotaries that can easily be used with laser marking machines. They are the Aluminium 80mm in diameter center-driven rotary. This rotary has the option of angle change and comes with 2 sets of chuck teeth to accommodate solid and hollow cylindrical items. Each piece is marked by number and you simply slot the corresponding number in. Then there is the Aluminium 10mm to 80mm in diameter ring clamping rotary. The Aluminium 300mm disc rotary with double side plate. And the 35mm in diameter surface drive rotary. All 4 rotaries are built to last, made of quality aluminium, and make use of a standalone power unit to operate. They are great for works on any AM.CO.za laser marker, for skilled machinery owners, and also on other laser cutting and engraving machines and even CNC routers. These rotaries are driven by a single-phase motor with a A+, A-, B+, and B- signal. If you don't have a driver, we stock the driver box as well. However, we don't provide technical support for the rotaries used on other retro machine types, only on rotaries that are used on our laser marking machines. For more information, you're welcome to call sales.
AI may eventually take over, but what's for certain is that smart machines are already operating all over the world right now. So stay ahead with AM.CO.za. For 11 years, they've been the leader in CNC and printing machines like CNC routers, large format printers, vinyl cutters, laser cutters, plasma cutters, DTF printers, and many more. Visit am.co.za showrooms in Sunny Rock, Joburg, and Montague Gardens, Cape Town, or WhatsApp hi to 060 600 6000 for more. am.co.za. Achievement matters.